Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Well, another very eventful day, which started off with a big old gap and trap, and the price is trying to recover. But I will say that after the dust has settled, boy, oh boy, do we have some levels here that a lot of people will be watching. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels, I know I've said this in the past, but even more so right now, a lot of people watching the same levels, wondering the same thing. Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very, very dynamic movements. And the level here that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is there at the 361 mark. I mean, check it out. Time after time, bounce, bounce, bounce. The prices bounced off that area. So by no means am I saying any of this is guaranteed. My core point here, it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have that if at some point next week the price rolls back over to that area and then breaks down through it, that could very well create a whole lot of downside selling pressure. Again, nothing is guaranteed to happen, but as far as, being a not random spot, 361 as far as Tesla is concerned is not a random spot. That is a very, historically technical level now, and there will be many people watching that level, like I said, myself included. So we'll see if that comes into play or not. But to be fair, the bulls did show up, started to grind the price higher basically all afternoon long. So another level that I don't think as many people will be watching, but an area of resistance that I would definitely say is important is right up there around the 370. Let's see, what is that? Yeah, right around the 377 mark, give or take a little bit. That was essentially where this consolidation has been stuck between. Now, granted, yeah, the price did gap up above it this morning, but after that, price quickly fell below it. But then after that, you can see the price just chopped down below that area. So again, 377, we're going to be one of those other areas that I'm sure lots of people will be watching. But I mean, 361 just stands out like such a sore thumb. So overall, though, those are going to be the two main technical levels moving into next week from the trading standpoint. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.